Windows 11, it's finally here. After 5 long years, Microsoft has introduced its new OS version, Windows 11. The last time it did was on 2015 when it released its Windows 10 OS version. In today's video, we are going to see what are the top features in Windows 11 and what are the major changes it has brought compared to Windows 10.
Before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, click on the bell icon, like, share and comment. Let's go into the video.
Starting with the lock screen. This UI looks way cooler than Windows 10. And then comes the login screen. Here we don't have much difference, it's pretty much same. Here comes our desktop screen. So the first major feature we are going to discuss is Start. So the Start button, which was always in the left hand side of the screen, has been now moved to the center of the screen. It looks way cooler, and there are also other enhancements done in the graphics. So if I click the Start button over here, so this is the Start window. So here you can see the tiles which was present in Windows 8 and Windows 10 is no more there. Okay, the UI has been enhanced so much, and the sign out option has been given in the left side of the Start window, and in the right side you can find the shutdown and restart button. And also you have an all apps option here, so you click on it and you can access all the applications that is available in Windows 11. So it looks good compared to Windows 10. Coming up next is the widgets. If you can see the taskbar, there is a specific icon for widgets alone. This widget is way more different than Windows 10. It works just like it works in your mobile. The UI is amazing. The options they have given is also amazing. You have to check it out. Next up is a feature known as Virtual Desktop. So how it works? In the taskbar you can see an icon added. This icon is known as Virtual Desktop icon. So if I click on here, you can find Desktop 1, Desktop 2. Let's assume I'm doing two sort of works, one related to my personal work and other related to my office. So what I can do is I can go to the desktop 1, can open the application that is related to my personal work, and I work on this desktop. And now I can go to desktop 2, open my other applications which is related to office, and I can work on this desktop. So you can categorize your two sort of works, maybe personal and office or anything else. And if I wanted to access it between, just click on it and I can go to desktop 1 or desktop 2. So all the windows which you have opened in desktop 1 will populate here, and all the windows which you have opened in desktop 2 will populate here. The next feature will allow you to do multitasking very easily, and the feature name is Snap Layouts. So what is the Snap Layouts? Let's assume I'm working something in my Edge browser, and simultaneously I got to work with File Explorer. So what I can do is, in your Edge browser, go to this icon and you can select a layout. So for example, I'm selecting this layout. So my Edge browser will fit in that layout. Now I'm going to my File Explorer, and here if I want to change, I can select another layout. Now can work simultaneously in Edge, and also I can work simultaneously in File Explorer. Likewise, you can add as much as apps you want. This is a very cool feature, isn't it? Next feature is context menu. So I'm going to my desktop, I'm doing a right click. So you can see it is a little way different than Windows 10. And also you can see new item, which is renamed from the traditional OS, and there is something known as open in Windows Terminal. Usually you can find it as command prompt. You would be finding an icon with the name CMD, but here they have renamed it as Windows Terminal. So from Windows 11, all the command prompt line applications are named as Terminal. So you can switch between PowerShell, command prompt and Azure Cloud Shell. Azure Cloud Shell is nothing but something similar to PowerShell. So this is one major change compared to Windows 10, and all your refresh button and other activities still remain the same. Just a little change in the UI. Now we are going to a very important feature, settings. So they have done some enhancement and added some features in settings as well. So this is how you access settings. So if you can see, there is a vast change in the UI. So you can see it's more of a cloud based. They have given us more of a cloud based operating system. If you have worked in any cloud environment, you might be seeing the difference here. So we have apps, all the apps installed, and all the settings that you want to do related to apps, Windows updates, everything. So UI has enhanced, the features has enhanced. So this is just an overview. I would another video explaining it in detail. So the next change I saw a little different from Windows 10 was File Explorer. I'm still pretty much not sure on what all the settings that is being enhanced in File Explorer, but the first thing you can see is the UI has been changed a lot. It's more live, it's more user friendly, it's more connecting to the user. So even in the ribbon bar and the quick access part, this PC network part, everywhere the UI is very much enhanced, which is very live now. And last but not least, the Microsoft Store. And the great news is now you can install Android apps in your Windows 11 PC. So how does it actually work is Amazon App Store is integrated with Microsoft Store. So when you search for an application which is actually an Android application, it integrates with Amazon App Store, and in that way you can download the Android application to your Windows 11 PC. So this is a very good feature which we were looking for a long time, and that is you can use Android apps in your Windows 11 PC. So that's it guys, this is just an overview of Windows 11. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would be dropping many more videos discussing various features in Windows 11 in detail. Until next time, it's bye from Techie.